Today, I'm gonna throw a pizza in my barbecue grill. Let's check it out. First thing we're gonna do is pre-bake the dough. Baking temperature of 230 degrees. I'm gonna shut that lid down, pop it back up. Should be nice and ready to get those toppings slapped on it. All right, it's been about 5 minutes that the dough's been proofing in the grill. Slap the toppings on there, and put them back in, and we're gonna time this puppy. But I'll pause this and then show you the before and after, because I really can't stick a camera inside the grill to watch it cook. Looks good. We got our first pizza in the grill. It's ham, onion, yellow pepper, and green olives. And the next one is on its way out. There's our second pizza. Yellow peppers, meatballs, jalapenos on one half, and the other half has no jalapenos with onions and green olives. We're gonna see what this looks like after 15 minutes. Let's see if I can get in there and get a shot of what the crust looks like underneath. I can't really see it that good on camera, but you know what? It's almost a golden brown color. This one's gonna be done in about 4 or 5 minutes. This other one, it's got about another 8 minutes to go. There we go. There's that first one we put in there. There's the crust. Almost looks like it was oven baked outside in a brick oven. Cooked in a grill. All right. Good stuff. In a few minutes, I'm going to check the other one. Got to take this one inside so it can cool down. This one right here looks like it's done. Let's see if we can get the crust on this one. Oh yeah, that looks like a beautiful golden brown, almost like a pancake. I'm calling this finished. So, this one's gonna go inside, just like the other one did. It's gonna rest for a little bit, then we're gonna tear into it. So, pizza on the grill. Let's give it a taste. Delicious. Tastes better than pizzeria in my opinion. Hey, till next time guys, bon appetit.